So life on the lake here, y'all. This is the first time that I've actually spoken while doing a video. But I wanted to show y'all that it's beautiful here and that God's creation is everything that He meant it to be. And I'm thankful to get to stay here. And that was a fish that just jumped out of the water. And look, this is the habitat that God creates for the fish underneath the water. And I'm right here on this boardwalk and just seeing the little fishies swim. It sure is an amazing world we live in. Thank God.